Hello everybody, welcome to ATC Thursday. We are going to be doing a kind of steampunk kind of card. I've got this lovely stamp set here. Now I've already made one using the rose. Now I want to make one using the heart. So what I thought I would do is I would put two ATC bases together. But first we need to do the background. And now I've got an assortment of stamps here from my stash. And I'm going to use these to create my background, and I'm going to be using Vintage Photo, Walnut Stain and VersaFine, and we're going to be doing a little bit of watercolouring as well. The VersaFine is water resistant, so you can use it for watercolouring, but the distress inks aren't, but I like the way that they look when I paint over them. It bleeds into the actual it bleeds into the what I'm painting, and I think it looks quite nice. Well, it did with the rose, so let's hope it does for the other for these two. And now I'm going to use the VersaFine, but I'm going to be doing second generation stamping because I don't want it to be so vivid. Okay, leaving out the VersaFine and bringing over another stamp block, a bigger one. I'm going to use the heart stamp. I'm going to place it on my block. Put these two together. I'm going to stamp over it. Okay, so we get that. I love the way that looks. Okay, let's put those away. I'm just going to dry this quickly with my heat tool. Okay, now we're going to do some watercolouring, and I'm going to paint the flowers. So this is a set that was gifted to me last Christmas. This is only the second time that I'm using it, and I'm recording this particular video in the end of March. So, oh, there's no pink. Okay, let's try this lovely purple. Lovely purple. It's probably going to show up blue because I notice a lot of purple things show up blue on camera. So we're going to paint flowers. What I tend to do is I tend to do darker in the middle and then use the water to spread the rest of the paint out. Okay, so let me blast that with my heat tool. Okay, let's go around the edge with the Vintage Photo. with the Wink of Stella, I'm just going to put a bit of sparkle on some of the flowers. Now, Wink of Stella is notorious for not showing up on camera, but trust me, as you can see, I am using it just to put a little sparkle, nothing over the top. Okay, let's put them on our ATC bases. Okay, I had the bases that I've used was some really thick white cardstock, and I had a few pieces left over, so I'm going to use those for the sentiments, but I just need to cut this one down slightly. What's this? Is this an inch? 3/4. Okay, and I'm probably going to put 2 sentiments on these, but I don't know where I'm going to have them. Okay, so I think I'm going to have that one across there. So I'm going to turn this over, use a pencil, and mark where I need to cut. Using my Tim Holtz shears, I should cut that to cut the excess off. And then remember where I had them. There we go. That's to go there. And do I want the other one across the bottom here? So I don't want to cut up those lovely roses. I think I'll have the other one up there. Not roses, the flowers. Okay, and using my crocodile and the smaller hole, I've pushed my measuring device back just so I can get them just where I want the holes. I'm going to put a hole on each side. Okay, so that's going on that one. And in my stash I have these heart-shaped brads. So I'm going to put a heart-shaped brad in each side. Okay, and now using a stamp set from May. And okay, I finally decided on You Inspire Me. And that is from May's Chin Up stamp set. It took me a while to find the one that I wanted. Okay, so using the VersaFine, I'm going to stamp You Inspire Me. And then using whatever ink is on my tool, I'm going to go around the edges. On. I'm just going to use the art glitter glue, or actually no, I'm going to use foam because of the bulkiness. No, I used art glitter glue with the other one, so I'm going to, yeah, I'm talking myself out of it, crafters. I'm going to use the art glitter glue. Because that worked fine with the other one. So that will go there. I smudge it slightly, but never mind. And this one up here. let me just bring over the rose one. So there we go, so we have the heart and we have the rose, and that's by using this kind of steampunk stamp set here. So thank you very much for joining me, and you'll see me again next week for another ATC Thursday. Take care now, bye bye.